welcome back, Gypsies. This video is just going to be a few snippets from a family fun birthday weekend. It was my cousin's son's Sweet 16, which is my second cousin. I don't know if you call it Sweet 16 if it's for a guy, but it was pirate themed. It was an amazing party. My cousin did a wonderful job as usual. We were all playing as his crew. He was the captain. There were clues, there were games to find clues and to put things together. So I couldn't have my phone out. That was one of the rules because they didn't want anybody Googling answers or anything like that. So there were a few parts that I could catch once we were doing other things. But I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye. Hi. Oh, the paparazzi is here. Flash, 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 flash.
Nearly got a mustache.
Hey, she's trying to watch herself in the video, girl. I can't breathe. I can't stick your nose in it. You can't breathe. Move it around. You just makes to move it. Why are you trying to eat it? It's smaller than food.
I don't think I have it.
Hey, that's not the only one. What? Who got a clue? Who got a clue? Hey, Sean. All right, y'all keep going. Keep going. There's more. Somebody else got something there. My kid got a good eyebrow. All of them. Maybe three. Who would say one of y'all got it? Why is there stuff on your hand? Yeah. You doing that on your face? Why you touch your face? You should be cleaning your face. Right here, no. Keep going. Everybody says you had to eat. Just look for the clue.
Oh my god. It's on your shirt.
I'm on that. This game was so tricky. At first, I didn't even really know what kind of clue we were looking for. I thought it was something hard or a ball or something. So I was just, at first, just looking around looking for something hard. Then my cousin let us know it was a piece of paper. And once I swiped the bottom of my bowl, I could feel it. But trying to get that flat piece of paper off the bottom of the bowl was so difficult. I felt like I was drowning. You can't breathe. There's whipped cream in your nose. So this was really difficult and gross. Let's do the...
Oh, dang, fat boy.
Yeah, you're eating it. You're disgusting.
You had the most, remember?
Bro, look.
That man got the most.
Oh my god. Oh my
I moved the stuff. I think I went to her.
Oh my god.
And I kept forgetting I could use my hands to hold or move the bowl. I was so stuck on trying to keep my hands back. I don't know why I was kept flipping the bowl off my face like that.
You feel like you're drowning in there. Man.
Cafe Bustillo in your cup. For the longest time, we didn't know Cafe Bustillo was espresso, not just regular coffee. We didn't know when my husband's blood pressure was going up. I didn't know why I got jittery after like 2-3 cups, 2.5 cups, which you saw that cup is basically 2 cups in one. So I was basically drinking about 4 cups. So be careful. Cafe Bustillo is not regular coffee. It is espresso.